TikTok tests PC game streaming app that could let it take on Twitch. Ooh, TikTok versus Twitch. A lot of T's there. What do you think? Is Twitch shaking in their boots? Twitch is getting hit from multiple sides, I guess. If TikTok goes for it, well, then you also got YouTube gaming seems legit now.
Yeah, it seems legit.
Seems legit.
Yeah, there's a lot of creators there.
Well, but they always have these announcements, inking deals with high-profile streamers and things. Seems good, no?
Yeah, and they get paid a lot of money, I would assume.
People are getting paid a lot of money. You can create the press release. Willie Doo just said it. People are getting paid a lot of money, quotes Willie Doo.
Yeah.
TikTok is testing a new piece of desktop streaming software called TikTok Live Studio. It lets users broadcast live footage from games and other desktop applications. The software is currently being tested with a small number of users across some Western markets, TikTok says, but in its official page on TikTok's site, it appears to have been taken down as of publication here on The Verge. So people figured it out. They saw it. They started to write articles, and TikTok was like, take that down real quick. They're like, that's not
we're not done testing yet.
No. World's not supposed to know about that yet.
Yeah.
Damn.
So this is the UI.
Damn. Quietly launched its own streaming software. It looks kind of like
Streamlabs?
Streamlabs or OBS.
Sure, yeah. They probably took some inspiration from there.
It's super basic in its current state, has both landscape and portrait scenes. Sources include game capture, mobile capture, video capture, program capture, and some text images. No browser sources or alerts. Well, they'll probably keep it somewhat simple out the gate. That could be big. I don't know.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, that could be big.
Why not?
That could be big. TikTok getting involved. Everybody's coming at Twitch. Twitch still has Bezos. Bezos still drives a Rivian. Bezos still wears a cowboy hat and goes to space every so often. So, I don't know. Let the chips fall where they may.
Sure. We'll let it happen.